someone greets you in Igbo and you freeze, don't worry, because today I am going to teach you on how to respond confidently when someone greets you in Igbo language. Stay with me. Ndewono! Aha m bụ Aduku. My name is Aduku and I teach simple Igbo for beginners. So today you will learn how to respond when someone greets you in Igbo language. If you're happy, say hey. Just don't go anywhere. Stay with me here till the end. Thank you. Now, you're going to be repeating after me. Let's go. The first one is Adem mma. Again, Adem mma. Good one. Adem mma is simply I am fine. I am fine. Adem mma. Then, when you want to be more polite, when someone greets you and you want to respond in a polite way, you say Adem mma, daalụ. Adem mma, daalụ. Say it after me. Good one, good one. Adem mma, daalụ simply means I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. That is it. Next on the list is simple acknowledgement. When you want to respond to what somebody is telling you, you need to acknowledge by responding something, right? So in Igbo, you say ọ dị mma, ọ dị mma. Repeat after me. Good. Again. Good one. Ọ dị mma. Ọ dị mma here means it is fine. Or you say okay. Ọ dị mma, it is fine. Okay. Anyone? Next one is when someone says thank you. What should be your response? Your response is ọ dịghị nsogbu. Ọ dịghị nsogbu. Repeat after me. Say ọ dịghị nsogbu. Again. Beautiful. You are doing a great job. Excellent. Excellent. So, ọ dịghị nsogbu means no problem or you're welcome. Next is practice, practice, practice. You know they say that practice makes perfect. So now we are going to be practicing what we have just learned. I am going to be asking and you will be responding. Are you ready? Let's go. I will be asking, Kedu ka ị mere? Beautiful. Your response is Adem mma, daalụ. Adem mma, daalụ. And I will also reply you, daalụ. When I say daalụ, what will be your response? Beautiful. Your response will be ọ dịghị nsogbu. That is what you respond. I love this. It means that you have been paying attention throughout this class. Excellent, excellent. Something beautiful. You are a good student. So far, so good. We are going to call it a day for now. And please, before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Till next time. Bye-bye.